Too cold tonight. You see the windshield, the moisture in the windshield, and there's outside. You cannot see outside, but you can see from the dashboard here the outside temperature is 11 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, this outside view, it's gonna be below zero tonight. And right now I'm running my diesel heater, and as you can see in the dashboard, it's showing 11 degrees, but they said it's gonna go down below zero tonight. And I'm running my diesel heater, and right now the setting on my diesel heater, I set it only at the minimum. That's the minimum. It's about 1.2 hertz at the moment. Let me set this one to 1.4 there. And what's showing right now on the ampere reading is point right there. That's my battery, and I have 13.06 volts, and the diesel heater is only taking like 0.4 amps, and it's kind of fluctuating. And okay, okay, this is my battery banks, and I have 350 AH. So I got here my inverter at 500 watts. Usually I use it to charge my laptop computer, and this is my controller, and it's actually connected to the solar panel in the roof, and that's my meter indication how much voltage I have in my battery. Right now I still have 13.06 volts, and my diesel heater is only taking 0.4 amps. So right now I'm stealth band camping here in the parking lot of Walmart. As you can see, they're outside. It's kind of difficult to see, but it's very cold tonight, so it's gonna be so much fun. 0 degrees outside. That's too cold. As you can see, inside my van there's no moisture. I've been running the diesel heater overnight, and I do not have any moisture in my windshield, and it's 0 degrees outside the parking lot here at Walmart. There you can see Walmart. I slept here overnight, and the road is actually freezing. It was 0 degrees there on the windshield. You see there's some trucks outside, and I've run my diesel heater overnight, and I was warm and comfy.